Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your AirPods are not showing up on Find My in your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to locate your AirPods on your Find My in your iPhone but they are not showing up here like this, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you show your AirPods in Find My to locate or track them. So guys, the very first solution for this problem can be that if you have borrowed your AirPods from someone and he hasn't removed these AirPods from his Find My, then you will not be able to show them to your Find My app on your iPhone. So guys, as you can see this, if someone has already added these AirPods in his Find My, then you will not be able to add them to your Find My until or unless he removes these AirPods from his Find My app. So guys, if you want to remove your AirPods from Find My, you have to simply tap on that AirPods in Find My, and after this here you can see this option to remove this device or remove these AirPods. You have to simply request that person from whom you have borrowed these AirPods to remove these AirPods from his device on Find My. So guys, once he opens these AirPods in his Find My, here he can remove AirPods from his Find My so that you can add them to your Find My to locate them. So guys, you have to simply request the person from whom you have borrowed these AirPods to remove the AirPods from his Find My. And once he removes them, then you will be able to show them on your Find My very easily. So guys, this is the way through which you can follow to add or show your AirPods on your Find My. So guys, the next solution can be that if you have not reset your AirPods to factory setting, then the AirPods may not function well and they may not be shown on your Find My in your iPhone. So guys, if you want to reset your AirPods to factory setting, you have to simply open the case of your AirPods and then you have to simply press and hold the button behind the case for 30 seconds to reset the AirPods to factory settings to fix this issue. So guys, simply reset your AirPods to factory settings and you have to ask the other person to remove them from his Find My, and after this the problem will be fixed and they will be showing up on your Find My very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.